Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my Kabbalistic people, today I come across one particular update. So, hey, the way this Mazi was talking, I am like, are there people like this? Is it possible? Can he do it? Is it that he's just saying it, or which planet is he from, or how is he going to go about it? Is it think that it's just so easy for him to talk? Is Abuja that easy? But nevertheless, I don't want to talk too much. I just want to listen to him, and I'll be right back.
Affected. But I'm here to tell you something. Have you guys ever asked yourself, why is our leader not listening to me? You know, when I tell you they keep that man there to do business, people think I'm just talking. I tell you, they plan everything they are doing now. They want our leader to remain there so that they will be getting money. They want our leader to remain there so that they will be receiving money, doing what they want to, building mansions and different estates. And I won't know nature na akoko. I make I tell you something. It gets sometimes what I tell you, I tell them, I bring out a plan, confirm plan how I go take go there, carry that man, go with my squad. But they no agree, they just decline the request. I request to them again, say this thing will not cost you more than 200 million if possible, sir. If not, 100 million is okay. But what will you do? If you think somebody will run away with your money, I will tell you what to do with that money. I will tell you what to buy with that money. When you buy it and bring everything I ask you, just carry it, come meet me. No, give me that. I don't even need that money. Buy within, I will tell you, just carry and come meet me. We go dress up, prepare with my men, we go lap. Also rock or whatever it's called, Abuja. No man, nobody behind land though. Abuja no be heaven, Abuja no be hellfire. Abuja na normal land like where we dey now. We fit burn am, scatter am. Na kana wetin no go scatter everywhere. Spray fire go where we dey go. Carry wetin we wan carry go kwa. Men wey go fit run am dey. Men wey go fit run am dey. If you wan know how many men wey I get, if you wan know how many men wey I get, just I will not tell you. Ask those wey you know say they know me. If you can ask my deputy commander, Sacramento Red Bullet, he is on Facebook. Just type the name, you will see his account. Chat him, or you chat his one triple star, or you chat her daughter. I don't forget her name, but those people you will ask, they will tell you how many men I get. I don't used to talk to myself. I don't talk all this kind of trashes at. You understand? When I tell you men calm down, bring things, make men scatter. This way they do now, no they go anywhere. We just suppose don't scatter everywhere. Now Igbo eyes don't open abi. They don't do election. P2B don't win. The carry am give Tinubu. The carry am give Tinubu. When I dey tell una wetin una go do, una go say Simba don't come again. Simba they bring distraction. If I couldn't talk, I couldn't na talk. Una go say I couldn't na evil, I couldn't na winch, I couldn't na this. But na wetin na talk, na wetin na couldn't carry the judge on. Okay, do now look at this thing. I tell you what I will do, so that I will be able to go to that place and bring out our leader. You decline the request. How do you want me to believe that you want that man to come out from that place? How do you want me to believe that you want him to come out from that place? Since I bring out a plan, I know is a risky plan. It's something that will take life and whatever. But we know they ask you that one. Ishana head go fall. Main man stand strong. Anyhow we fall, it no matter. When we they talk, we not going to say we be evil, we be evil. Oga no be evil. Now wetin I talk, now wetin I see, now wetin I they tell you. I tell them say see wetin I go carry lap Abuja. I get men we go run am, men we don't do things, we don't not kala retire. We are don't prepare for this thing. Wetin we need now more firearm and vehicle to carry lap. If we lap today, our leader they come out today. Wetin I only need now no confirm location. Na confirm location of where they keep am. I go lap there. Scatter everywhere come out. So when they pick me up so time ago and go. When I know wetin happen now, I know how the matter be. See, nothing there for Abuja. Now we just leave them that they do wetin they do. Nothing there for Abuja. We fit go there, do wetin we wan do, run things, scatter everywhere, bring our leader come back home. After now, what is happening? What is happening? We'll be busy running mad like Christmas goat. Why you see where people are dying every day? Just look at what happened in Benue State. How many people can you count the number of people they killed in IDU camp or ID what camp where they call it? I saw the video last night when Ezenwa tell me to I add the Ray award. I can't forget that guy name. I click and followed him and check out his story. He put it on his story. See how dead body full ground. Some are cut off their eyes, some are do as they do is more than 50 people are killed, if not more than that self. Why we have billions of men that can fight for this, scatter this country and chase Fulanis away from. But when I they talk, when I go say I behave, you know say me I like keeping silent too. I go keep silent, they watch you. You think I don't know what you they do. But the day where I go hit you for where you know go rise up again. The day where I go hit you, the place where I go hit you, even in 10,000 generations to come, you know go fail recover. Now where I keep silent, it better like this. But the day where I go start, when I not beg me say make I calm down. I dey silent with my men know they work. They only work when I come back last week or whatever. They did a little work that time. I tell them to pause the work. No movement again. Calm down. When they are serious, we will know. If we wait for them to prove the seriousness but they refuse, then we will start work again. But me and my men starting work again, it will be more deadly and disastrous than what happened in Sodom what is that country? Is it what is that country the throw bomb self? Saudi Arabia self not even reach. Get what country with the bomb Hiroshima and what is that country name again? Nigeria will be more that place Hiroshima and bomb will be better than what we are bringing into Nigeria. Now me they tell you, she will never know. Now go know this are they ready. That men where you they claim say you get men, I get times 10 of them. Now mouth to just they run them. I never want start for you. If you like, go tell them say me they do. If they ready, me we enter Abuja scatter. So when now they ready, I go let me know. This one on the TikTok and farm. I no come about. No get time for it. When now they ready, I go know. And the TikTok now if you want how to be. Now go out again. No tell me say make I come down. Operation clear the nation. I can't come. If you know next month, if you know per month, if you dey like 2 months now, but they need me the way you hear say they come out. Now they don't start.
So my correlistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you so much and bye bye.